carrying a handgun in a motor vehicle, possession of a controlled substance, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, possession of marijuana, theft of a firearm, evading in a motor vehicle, unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, and now 3 burglaries, 3 thefts, 3 property destructions from one property destruction from Wyoming. And you want me to give you a bond?
Ignacio Castillo, Judge.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Oh, Lord, you picked up a bird hand.
yeah,
Same transaction.
Say it again.
It's the same transaction.
Okay.
here's the rub. So I was trying to reset him to after his felony. The soonest available was like the Monday after. He is scared that if he gets that one resolved up there, that because he's got a GOB bond, I'm not going to see him on Monday, that he'll be transferred over there immediately and still have this case pending.
Transferred over where? To ICE?
Yes.
That's what I was looking, I don't think that matters. Our case is over.
Why were you saying why was it taken care of on?
If for some reason he's thinking that it might be taken care of on the next setting up there.
I mean, it's a Berg hap. It's been open a month. I can't imagine discovery is complete, right?
Right.
And the Berg hap?
Yeah, no, it's not completed. They're still waiting on some photos. But, yeah.
Do you want me to revoke the bond in case?
That's what I'm thinking. He's got a GLB bond. Can we revoke it and make it 100?
It's 100 now. I can make it 101.
And turn it into not a GLB bond, but a surety bond, I guess?
No. Once you revoke a bond, a warrant issues and it'll stay in warrant status until you make bond or you get a PR bond.
It's at $100 right now.
He's on bond now.
Yeah.
He's got a general order bond. It's
Right.
$100. So he's
Right.
on bond. So theoretically, if the case gets dismissed, then yes, he's eligible for pickup and
Yeah.
ICE can get him and take him.
Let me confirm that he wants to revoke the bond. Let me make sure. And we'll see.
That will place the hold so that immigration will not take him.
I got it.
And we can
Okay.
resolve it
We can
here.
talk and make sure on that one. You ready?
And then I'm always happy to reinstate
Yeah.
if we
Oh,
revoke
okay,
it,
okay.
you know, so really.
So that should work for him. There should be no reason.
He never will revoke and refuse to reinstate,
Got it.
right? So like if they take care of that and he's still in warrant status here, we can always reinstate. But like I said, they'll take him to immigration or whatnot. So
That's a great idea. I'll talk to him about
you
it.
let me know what you want to do.
Yeah, talk to him.
Okay. Chavez?
Chavez.
Chavez.
Chavis.
Chavez E. Chavez.
Chavis.
Chavez E. Chavez. You know that? Young Guns? You ever saw that? Chavez E. Chavez.
That's a great movie. Part 2 is the best. Part 2 is the best one.
Nah, I don't know.
Do you like the first one?
Nah, they're both.
I like the second.
Is it Chavez or Chavez?
Your choice.
Sir, you're charged. Well, I'm sorry. You were wanted out of another jurisdiction. Your lawyer's asking for me to set you a bond. I don't know. I have to get to know you to see whether it would be a good idea to give you a bond because I got a lot of people here that are dangerous to my community. And I don't want to, put anybody else in harm's way. I got to know that if I give you a bond, that you're actually going to go back, not become a danger. So we got to get to know you in the short time that we have. Tell me about it.
Yes, just one from Lincoln County, Wyoming for 3 counts of burglary, 3 counts of theft and property destruction. As opposed to a bond. While it was issued on February 26th of this year, he has some significant criminal history that we're concerned of. First off, he's actually currently on federal probation for a charge of stealing imported interstate shipped weapons from a licensed importer manufacturer. He, as the court also knows, he had a evading motor vehicle in 2021. In that case, he accelerated through 4 stop signs, lost control of the vehicle, and hit a concrete barrier, and continued to drive and crash into a townhouse wall and fence. And then he continued to flee on foot in that case. He picked up that evading while he was on bond for a theft of a firearm and for a deferred PCS in our court. Looking at the facts of the theft of the firearm, it did resemble facts more similar to a burglary in that case. For these reasons, they would be concerned about getting involved.
You said he has 3 counts of burglary out of Wyoming?
Yeah.
Are they 3 separate transactions? Or are they all one matter? Right, but is it one transaction in and of itself? Is it 3 different days where we have 3 different burglaries? I guess, is it one criminal episode
Right.
versus multiple
It looks like there are one criminal episodes, they all list the same date. I will also note, we had another fugitive on our docket a couple days ago, Greg, they had the exact same charge there as well. So I also think there's also another co-defendant.
Oh, we got a co-defendant. We didn't give the person a bond, did we?
No, I think that
That person was on federal probation too.
I don't know.
Please.
So criminal history, that's
No bueno.
it's no bueno. This is a fugitive case, Judge. He's on federal probation. Yes, we threw that out there. He's on federal probation. He was picked up at federal probation. So he's complying with the requirements of his federal probation. Picked up there. I mean, technically, I will say this, Judge, talking about another co-defendant, I mean, that's got relevance on my client. He is his own
I agree
person.
with you. I agree.
So the biggest thing here is when this charge was filed. It was filed February 26th of 2025. We are in March 12th. He hasn't had an opportunity to go over there to Wyoming. This was just placed, and he's asking for an opportunity to go turn himself in, especially after he's been complying with his requisites of showing up where he needs to be. He was picked up at his probation that same day. So that being the case, I know it sounds bad that he gets burglary ×3, theft ×3, but he is presumed innocent. He hasn't missed a chance. We have no failure to appear, sounds like. And so we're asking for an opportunity for him to turn himself in.
Do you know when he got on federal probation?
2024, just the end of last year, October.
Let's go through your stuff. Since 2019, carrying a handgun in a motor vehicle, possession of a controlled substance, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, possession of marijuana, theft of a firearm, evading in a motor vehicle, unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, federal probation for what?
Stealing imported interstate shipping weapons from license of the border manufacturer.
And now 3 burglaries, 3 thefts, 3 property destructions from
Property destruction.
1 property destruction from Wyoming. And you want me to give you a bond?
Yes.
No. The bill comes due. You scare me. If I give you a bond, my fear is that you will pick up another case. The only thing I like is public safety. And I give bonds on fugitive cases all the time when I have a feeling that they're not going to endanger my public. But since 2019, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 federal probation, 9, 10, 11 are here, and I don't even know what other criminal history has in other jurisdictions. Anything else in other jurisdictions?
Fort Bend, what's this? Yeah, Fort Bend had a theft of property conviction from 2021.
Sorry, way too much baggage.
Judge, would you consider any amount for a bond?
No, he's too dangerous, man. So on federal probation, now he has 3 new cases. Just, sorry, man, you're too dangerous. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.